Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brina if you're new here. Today's video is going to be a first impressions video on two products actually. They just recently came out. They launched last Thursday or Friday and he goes by Macdaddy. His name's Angel and he came out with this beautiful palette right here. It's really pretty. And he also came out with, I got Boy Toy as my lipstick, but he came out with a huge variety of lipsticks and the eyeshadow palette. So that's what today's video is going to be. Not the highlighters, it's just going to be reviewing on the eyeshadow. This is the look that I got with this palette. And if you want to see what my impressions are, review what I think about the palette, what could be potentially better in the future, go ahead and keep on watching.
Alright, first things first, we're going to prime our eyes. I'm using Match Painterly Paint Pot. For the first shade, we're going to go in with the color Transcend, and I'm doing windshield wiper motions with a big fluffy brush. Then with that same brush, I'm going to go back in with Aesthetic and reapply where I put the Transcend shade. It's just warming up the crease. And then I'm going to get a sort of tapered brush and apply the color Mink. Sort of a base. I'm not going too harsh right now. I'm just applying it so when I go back, I know where to create more depth with the eye look. Now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm applying a little bit on my backhand, getting a flat brush, and I'm going to lightly sort of cut out my eyelid. The reason why I do that is so I know where exactly to put my shimmer shades, and it just makes it for a cleaner look. First thing you're going to do is grab a flat shader brush, and we're going to first go in with the color Bronziana, that's how you say it, and I'm basically applying that color all over where I put in my concealer. It's so pretty. I love that color. And then I actually ended up going back in with my fluffy brush and added some more Mink. I'm starting to like deepen it out, adding more towards my outer V. This way it just makes it more of like a catty, sort of smoky eye effect. Nothing too crazy. And like I said, you add per preference. Alright, I'm going to get a flat shader brush and I'm going to mix the color Lavish and Opulent and put that towards my inner portion of my eye. Then I got a big, like, clean brush. You can use the same one from before and just sort of blend out the outer, no harsh edges. Then I got another clean flat brush and I used the color Exposed to highlight my brow bone. Went ahead and applied on some false eyelashes, Lily Lashes in the style Rome. And then guys, I'm grabbing a flat bottom brush and I'm getting in the color Transcend, just as my starting color, and I'm just putting that under my lower line. And then I'm going to go back in with Mink just to darken it up. And for my lips, I use the color Boy Toy from his collection. It's absolutely beautiful, you guys.
Beautiful. I love the color so much. It's such a nice color. It's so pretty. The only thing I'm going to say that I really wish that what he did when he made the lipsticks, that he made lip liners to go with them too. I feel like if you're gonna make lipsticks, you should make lip liners, just because I feel like it's nice to have that option of whether if you don't have a lot of makeup, like I feel like this is the perfect starter kit for someone, especially like in terms of eyeshadow palette and the lipstick and the colors. Like I feel like that's so complimentary to everyone. That's why I really like the collection and the line. The formula is really perfect. Angel, you did a really good job. Really like this palette. I'm actually looking forward to like future collections of yours, so congrats. First impression is it's an awesome palette. Had no issues with it at all. I think the only thing, like you should always criticize something. Really like the mirror, comes with a nice mirror. Look at my camera. The only thing that I wished was it came with like a nice icy snowy like eye shade. And like what I mean by that is like, I wish there was like a color like this. This is from a different palette that I have, but it would have been nice to have like something like a light pinky tone like that in the palette, but it's not the end of the world that it's not there. It's still really pretty. That's just like if I were to have to like say one bad thing about the palette, is that's what I wish it had. Other than that, really like the lipsticks. I'm actually planning on buying more lipsticks because I really like the formula. I like how this color suits me. And also, overall, really good palette. Angel, good job. Congratulations on your launch. Really, really like everything.
Hey guys, I forgot to film an outro, so here I am on my laptop. I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below on any videos you'd like to see in the future. I hope you guys will have a wonderful rest of your day and stay healthy. Have a good one, guys. Bye.